Using this new measurement, the World Bank has forecasted that extreme poverty around the world is likely to fall to under 10% of the global population this year. The Bretton Woods Institution projects that global poverty will fall from 902 million people, or 12.8% of the global population recorded in 2012, to 702 million people, or 9.6% of the global population in 2015.
We're really excited about these new numbers. We went back and went to the poorest 15 countries and really looked at what it costs to live above what we consider the extreme poverty line. And what we found is that in today's dollars, that number is $1.90 as opposed to $1.25.
The 30-year fall in extreme poverty was attributed to the strong growth rates in developing countries in recent years, investments in people's education, health and social safety nets that help keep people from falling back into poverty. By 2020, just about half of all people living in extreme poverty will be living in fragile and conflict-affected states, signifying the progress made.
Growth in emerging markets over the past 5 years, even during the crisis, has of course helped lift many out of extreme poverty. These investments in people, insurance against falling into poverty have really helped. But now a lot of the low-hanging fruit have been picked, and now we've really got to get at the task of poverty that's deepened.
The announcement came ahead of the World Bank Group and International Monetary Fund annual meetings in Lima, Peru, giving fresh evidence of the world moving closer to the historic goal of ending poverty by 2030. Despite the progress made in reduction of poverty, Africa still carries the most poorest nations. Andrew Thompson, CCTV.